This is our weekly reader magazine lesson for today. See if you can find this weekly reader to do it along with us. It is called My Wild Weather Day. The day of my big soccer game had the weirdest weather ever. Open up to the inside. The day the weather went wild. The day of my big soccer game, the weather changed 6 times. Let's start by looking at number 1. The morning was chilly. I wore a long sleeve shirt. I could see my breath in the air. Brr, time to go to the game. The arrow shows us to go down to number 2. It got hot. I was running a lot during the game. But that's not the only reason I was sweating. The weather had changed. Suddenly, it wasn't chilly anymore. It was 70 degrees. It was hot. I wished I could take off that long-sleeved shirt. We move over to number 3. It began to rain. It started pouring during the game. It was a total downpour. We slid and slipped and we lost the game. Oh well, we all went out for pizza. I was soaked. My clothes dripped all over the table. We go up to number 4. There was thunder and lightning. After pizza, we drove home. Lightning lit up the sky. Boom! We heard thunder. The rain was so heavy, I couldn't wait to get home. Over to number 5. It started to hail. I couldn't believe it. Little balls of ice started to fall. It was hail. We finally got home. I picked up the hail. It was freezing. We go down to number 6. Look, a rainbow. I went inside. I changed into dry clothes. What a relief. By then, the hail had stopped. I looked outside. The most beautiful rainbow was in the sky. This was the craziest weather day ever. All right, dance break. Make sure you have some room nearby.
Dance break.
Move like the weather. Move like a windy storm.
So move like the wind.
Flash like lightning. Now jump in rain puddles.
Jump up and down.
Good work.
Freeze. Now take a deep breath in. 1, 2, 3. And let it out. 3, 2, 1. Now melt to the ground.
So think about some days that we have had, especially these past couple days. We have had some sunshine, we have had some rain, we've had some wind, we have had some different kind of weather around here where we live. Let's watch and see what our weather movie is about.
In like a lion. Out like a lamb. The month of March comes in like a lion and goes out like a lamb. Have you ever heard anyone say that? It doesn't mean that lions and lambs are roaming the streets in March. It means that March starts off with harsh, stormy weather and ends with soft, gentle weather. Spring is a time of weather changes, and the changes seem more extreme than at other times of the year. One day, the air might feel warm and flowers will start to bloom. And the next day, there might be a huge snowstorm. Sometimes balls of ice called hail fall from the sky in spring. That's right, ice falls from the sky, even as the weather is warming up. It's a little wacky. Spring weather is different depending on where you live. The southern part of our country is usually warmer than the northern part because it's closer to the equator. The equator is an imaginary line around the center of the earth.
We live over here, right on the edge there. So our weather is going to be a little bit cooler in the spring.
The closer you get to the equator, the warmer it is. In the southern part of our country, spring often looks like this. And this. And this. If we go up north, spring might look like this. And this. And this. The United States is a really big place with all kinds of weather. So if the weather is harsh, like a lion, or gentle, like a lamb, it's spring.
And we've definitely had some days where it is warmer and the sun is shining. And then we've had some days where it's a little chilly and cloudy and windy. So we get some different weather in the spring also. Uh-oh. Let's see if we can try the game again. I'm not sure if it's going to work for us.
Dressing for the weather. Help little monster get dressed. When you are finished, click the blue arrow.
It is cold and snowy today. What should I wear?
Okay, cold and snowy. So we would put a jacket,
Jacket,
snow boots,
snow boots,
mittens,
mittens,
hat,
hat,
scarf.
scarf,
Oh, pants. Oh my goodness, we forgot.
pants.
I don't think he needs flip-flops or shorts for a snowy day. So let's see.
What do you think? Am I dressed for the weather?
Yeah, he looks good, right?
It is sunny and hot today. What should I wear?
Okay, sunny and hot. So we don't need snow boots or earmuffs or a jacket. Maybe he can wear
Tank top,
yeah, sleeveless shirt, flip-flops.
flip-flops, bathing suit,
Wow, he's got a nice bathing suit.
sunglasses.
Let's try it.
What do you think? Am I dressed for the weather?
Yeah, he looks good, right?
It is cool and rainy today. What should I wear?
Cool and rainy. Okay, well, this is a cool hat and umbrella.
Umbrella hat.
That's good.
Rain boots.
Pants. That would always be good to wear pants.
Pants.
Raincoat.
Rain slicker.
All right, let's try it.
What do you think? Am I dressed for the weather? It is cold and snowy today.
Okay, and we
What
did
should
that
I
one.
wear?
Good choices. Go to the back of your weekly reader. So flip to the back page. Let's see here. And we'll fill it in together. Wild weather words. Read the weather words, then click the bubbles for the correct answers. So I'll do it on the screen and you can fill it in on your paper with me. Up top, it tells us downpour. A downpour is a heavy rainstorm. Next to that, hail, balls of ice that fall from the clouds. Lightning, a flash of light in the sky when electricity moves between clouds or between a cloud and the ground. Rainbow, an arc of colors in the air. A rainbow is made when sunlight hits water drops. Go down to number 1. A bright flash of blank lit up the sky. So which one of these things is a bright flash? Lightning or hail? You should be choosing lightning. We all know that lightning is a bright flash of light in the sky. Number 2, a blank is made when sunlight hits water drops in the air. So is it a downpour or a rainbow? When there's water drops in the air and then the sunlight shines, what does it make? Yes, a rainbow. We're going to choose rainbow. A rainbow is made when the sunlight shines through the droplets of water. So if it's been raining and then the sun comes out right afterwards and there's still a little bit of water in the air, you will see a rainbow. Number 3, the blank filled the streets with water. What would happen that would make the streets be filled with water? A downpour or hail? Probably a downpour. That's heavy, heavy rain. That could fill the streets with water. Number 4, blank fell today. I felt the little balls of ice. Which one is little balls of ice? Hail or a rainbow? Hail is little balls of ice.
Good work.
All right, good work on your weekly reader.